Hey guys, Mr. Stooksberry. Super excited you're in my class this year. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. This is my 5th year at Vine Middle School. Sorry, this camera's doing weird things. It's my 5th year at Vine. I've taught math, I've taught social studies, I've taught technology and engineering, taught science last year. I'll teach science again this year. My wife and I have been married for 20 years, a little over 20 years. We have 3 boys, Jonah, Dylan, and Clay. Dylan is an 8th grader at Powell Middle School. Clay is a junior at Powell High School. And Jonah is my oldest, and he is a sophomore at the University of Tennessee. Those are my 3 boys. We got 2 big golden doodle dogs, and we have 1 little dog. So we got 3 dogs total. And we have a cat. I'm not a cat guy, but whatever. We ended up with a cat. I love to go camping with my family. It's probably my favorite thing to do. Go to the lake. I love to fish. Love to play sports with my boys. I was a football player. I played everything when I was a kid, but all the way through the end of high school, I was a pretty serious football player. So I love sports. Let's see. And then this summer, check this out. I did something I've wanted to do my whole life. I'm going to share my screen here. Boom. That is me jumping out of a plane. I went skydiving this summer from 18,000 feet. 18,000 feet. And these are some pictures of the whole experience. It was crazy. That was like looking straight down from where I was at. It was a lot of fun. And I've got a video. I'll show you guys it later at some point. But I just wanted to give you a little video introduction of who I am, the things that matter to me, which honestly, most of the time happens outside of school, unless it's you. You are very important to me. I am honored to be your teacher. I'm excited to be at Vine. I'm excited that you're at Vine. So I'm looking forward to a great year, guys. It's all going to be crazy. It's all going to be crazy this year. But I'm looking forward to a great year, learning as much as we can. Don't get stressed. We'll figure it out. I promise. All right? Okay. Talk to you later.